Video 5, Entering and Exiting a Trade, the video that everyone has been waiting on. So this video is created to teach the steps involved in entering and exiting a trade. Entering and exiting trades are very simple operations performed with the click of a mouse, but knowing where to enter and exit is what complicates the task. My 5-week course teaches you to read charts and how to know the levels to enter and exit a trade with the highest probability of it being a winning trade. I will share my screen. Based on your setup, when you prepare to enter a trade that is trending up, you will buy, which can be performed in a few ways. You can click one of the buy tabs over here on your chart trader, or you can place your crosshairs on the chart and the location in which you want to place a buy. Say for instance, I wanted to buy down here once the market trended down here. I can right click and I can click buy limit, or I can click buy MIT, market if touched. The limit is the minimum and maximum you are willing to complete the transaction, whereas market orders tend to have a higher chance of being executed. So that's buying. And inversely, based on your setup, when you prepare to enter a trade that is trending down, you will sell, which can be performed in a few ways. You can click a sell tab on your chart trader, or you can place your crosshairs on the screen. If I wanted to sell this down when it was up here, I can place my crosshairs and right click, and I can click the sell limit, and I can click sell MIT, market if touched. Again, the limit is the minimum and maximum hard fast numbers you are willing to complete the transaction, and whereas market orders tend to have a higher chance of being executed. So those are some key points that you want to remember. The limit is the minimum and maximum you are willing to complete the transaction, and your market orders tend to have a higher chance of being executed. So keep those things in mind. Over here is your order quantity, referring to the number of contracts you are buying when you place the order. You can adjust it up to add many contracts, as well as reduce it and trade with one contract. I will stop sharing my screen now. So this concludes my 5-video series on how to get started as a beginner trader. The final thing I want to share with you is some advantages of trading the futures market versus trading stocks. Allow me to share one more page with you. Allow me to share my screen for one more moment. On my course page, I highlight the advantages of sharing or trading futures over stocks. As you can see right here, these are some benefits of trading futures over trading stocks. Lower capital required, highly liquid markets, level playing field, You can trade the entire market, and you can trade around the clock. So I will stop sharing my screen right now. I invite you to enroll in my course today and learn the strategies to become a consistent trader. I will see you on the inside. Much success to you, and take care. It's been a pleasure.